kill Maggie. I did not kill Paul. I would never hurt Maggie, and I would never hurt Paul, ever, under any circumstances.
Alec Murdaugh took the stand in his own double murder trial today. The disbarred attorney insisted to the jury he isn't the one who shot and killed his wife and son. Our Brooke Butler was in the courtroom today as he testified.
During his testimony on Thursday, Alec Murdaugh admitted to the jury that he lied to investigators about where he was the night his wife and son were shot and killed.
Mr. Murdaugh, is that you? On the kennel video at 8:44 p.m. on June 7th, the night Maggie and Paul were murdered.
It is.
Alec Murdaugh admitted to the jury Thursday he was at the kennels with Maggie and Paul minutes before they were murdered.
Why did you lie about the last time you saw Maggie and Paul?
As my addiction evolved over time, I would get in these situations or circumstances where I would get paranoid.
Murdaugh also discussed this controversial video. It shows Alec Murdaugh in different clothing than what he was wearing when investigators arrived on scene. He told the jury he changed out of these clothes because he and Paul had been riding around their Moselle property and he got sweaty.
Was it unusual for you to take a shower when you got back to the house?
Not at all.
He said after the murders, he stayed with family and friends and had clothes everywhere as a result. But he claims investigators never asked him to produce this outfit. He also mentioned the blue raincoat investigators say they found gunshot residue on.
Never seen it before, never touched it, and don't know anything about it.
The prosecution believes Murdaugh killed his wife and son to distract from his alleged financial crimes. Defense attorney Jim Griffin asked Murdaugh about this.
On June the 7th, did you believe that your financial house of cards was about to crumble?
Absolutely not.
After that, the prosecution began its cross-examination. They talked about the Murdaugh family's power in the area and pointed out Murdaugh's relationship with law enforcement personnel.
You had a long association with law enforcement.
Yes.
Yes.
They also grilled Murdaugh about his alleged financial crimes.
In all these financial situations, I stole money that was not my money. I misled people that I shouldn't have misled, and I did wrong.
The prosecution is expected to continue its cross-examination of Alec Murdaugh on Friday. Reporting in Colleton County, I'm Brooke Butler, WJCL 22 News.